Neuro Justice is an attempt to do justice to all those who have suffered neurological disability, either because of road accidents involving vehicle, or by paralytic stroke, or by some fall, or any other type, including Alzheimer's and dementia.
So how important is this book, the launching of the book? Do you think the book plays a very important role?
The book plays not only an important role, I can tell you this is a movement. This is a movement, and our aim is to see that all those unfortunate people, especially those persons of the middle class and the below middle class people who are not able to withstand the onslaught caused because of this, they will be getting a lot of things, lot of benefits, and this will also help the lawyers, the judges to assess the disability properly while awarding compensation, lawyers, insurance companies to represent their respective cases very effectively. Lot of cases, for example, in Karnataka itself, more than 80,000 cases are these motor vehicle accident cases, injuries suffered, and I think minimum 20% will be definitely neurological disabilities. They need priority, and it is in this regard this book plays a very leading role.
So any cases you recommend, refer, when you were giving a judgment, final judgment, you felt like, these kind of books were supposed to be at those times when you gave?
No, there were no books, because I had an opportunity of interacting with many neurosurgeons. Wherever I was working, I was able to do a little better than other people. This needs priority.